There's a second TV that is failing, and the same exact one failed here. This TV for a couple of days was fine, but look what happened today. I even filled it all the way to the ground. Nothing else is doing that. Wow. Wow. Huh. Turned off by itself. Is it a goner? Whoa. Okay, let me turn this baby off. Okay, turn off now. Don't know what's going on. Everything else works. Nothing else is shocked. As a matter of fact, when it was doing that, I could feel it on the ground, all the way to my body on the floor. No circuits are wet. So what the hell is going on? It's only affecting the TV? Huh. Ooh, okay. This is kind of scary, but let me take this off. There's an actual palette that's nothing is on it, but I've never heard it do that before. Try again. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to turn you off. I am trying to turn you off, okay? And you come on anyway. Okay. Hey. Turn off the circuit. Weird, weird, weird.